Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, we'll do the Airtel speed test and the download test comparison between the Oneplus Nord 2 versus the Realme X7 Max device. So this is another question which has been requested by plenty of subscribers asking me to do this kind of side-by-side comparison. Let's see, using this Airtel SIM card, which phone can actually download faster and which phone can actually have the better kind of speed test results. So that's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So first, let's start with the phone which is a Oneplus Nord device. Let's see what will happen with the Oneplus Nord 2. Then I'll try to use the Realme X7 Max, same SIM card. There is only one Airtel SIM card, so which I'm trying to use in both phones. There is no other SIM card in this tray, as you can see. I'll try to choose the SIM card 1 during the demonstration, so which has been recommended by plenty of subscribers asking me to choose SIM card 1 only. So I'm trying to use SIM card 1 in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So first let's start testing in this OnePlus Nord 2. Then I'll try to test in the Realme X7 Max. So first thing is to show you exactly what kind of band it's connected. As you can see right now, it's connected to the 900 band. And in my location, I'm not getting any kind of 4G plus aggregation. So at this point, I'm not worried about the 4G plus aggregation at all. So we are connected to the 900 band frequency. Now let's start with the download test. So this application, friends, which I'll be downloading right now, which is a Spotify application, which should be around close to 30 MB of size. Let me need to start downloading at same time 1, 2, 3. Let's see how much time the Spotify application will actually take download to in the OnePlus Nord device. Right now you can see 30 MB of size, and the speeds on the notification panel, you can see the speeds are going up to 1 Mbps of speeds. As you can see, 1 Mbps is the maximum speeds it did reach. So this is a OnePlus Nord 2 and with the Airtel SIM card and connected to the 900 band frequency. So let's see, once after doing this kind of download test, I'll try to do the speed test. So speed test I'll try to do maybe 2 times or 3 times. Then I'll try to use same SIM card in the Realme X7 Max to test how it's behaving. So finished. In 34 seconds of time, the complete Spotify application is completely downloaded in 34 seconds. As you can see, friends, in 34 seconds, the OnePlus Nord 2 took, and 35 seconds, I did it a little bit kind of late. So maybe you can consider 35 seconds as well, no issues in that. So now let's start with the speed test. Let's see the speed test, what will happen. And right now this phone is taking a little bit kind of installing a lot of time. Now let's go to the speed test application and let's see how much speeds we can actually expect in the OnePlus Nord 2 device using the Airtel SIM card. And this is my first time doing the comparison with both phones using the Airtel SIM card. I did not do it this kind of comparison before. And let's see what will be the results right now. I'll try to do the speed test couple of times, not one time, but couple of times, maybe 3-4 times I'll try to do to be on safe side. So right now in the Airtel SIM, the OnePlus Nord 2 is getting the speeds up to 13 Mbps of speeds. Not bad. 13 and 12 Mbps of speeds in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. As you can see, friends, 13 and 12. And the upload speeds were kind of close to 4 and 3 Mbps of speeds. As you can see, upload speeds 4. So 5 Mbps of speeds we got the upload speeds as well. Not bad. 5 Mbps. So 12 and 5. So let's do the another one more time. So I'll try to do the three times. So just to be on safe side, as I said. So we should not come into a conclusion only based on one result. So we'll try to do average. Same thing, I'll try to proceed the same kind of process in the Realme X7 Max as well. I'll try to do the download and then speed test. Then we can come into the conclusion what is happening. So this is a really important test for a lot of other users as well. Even for me, to get a clear idea which phone is actually having what kind of speeds, this kind of test will definitely help for me as well to determine. So which phone can I actually have highest speeds. Right now the OnePlus Nord 2 is getting, I think, close to 5 Mbps of speed, not bad. So these are the high speeds we got for the second time testing. Let's do the third time testing and final thing, that's it. Then I'll try to use the same SIM card in the Realme X7 Max device. In the Realme X7 Max, there is no SIM card, as you can see, friends. I'll try to use in the SIM 1 tray as well in the Realme X7 Max. Let's see which is a SIM 1 tray. I think this one is a SIM 1 tray, the first one. The OnePlus Nord 2 speeds went up to 13.5 Mbps. So this is going to be really very interesting, friends. So before, I did use the 2 SIM cards, but right now same SIM card I'm trying to use in both phones. So these are the 3 times results we did do, and this is the highest download speeds we got, 13.5 so far. Let's remove this SIM and keep in the Realme X7 Max. So same kind of test if you wanted, I can definitely do in other videos as well. I'm trying to change the SIM in front of the camera only, so you can actually see the difference, what is happening. Same SIM card. So I'm trying to use only same SIM card only, as you can see. SIM card 1 I'm trying to keep, in the Realme X7 Max. This is Airtel SIM. As you can see, friends, that's done. Now let me turn on the, yes, mobile data is also turned on. That's good. So now a couple of applications will connect the internet. Even the Realme X7 Max also connected to the same kind of band, which is a 900 band. As you can see, LTE 900. So that's perfect. So both phones, they don't have a carrier aggregation. I mean, in my location. So maybe in the other location, you might be able to support. But in my location, I'm not getting 4G aggregation. That's no problem at all. Let's download the application first, which is a Spotify application. Yes, let's try how much time this phone gonna take, the Realme X7 Max. So this is going to be really very interesting. This phone took kind of close to 34 and 35 seconds. Now let me need to reset the time. Yes, let's start. 1, 2, 3. So this is a kind of practical way of demonstrating, friends, the speed test between both phones. So using the same SIM card, try to focus on the high speeds. High speeds were close to 1.5 Mbps of speeds I'm getting. Not bad, as you can see, friends. Same frequency, 1.5 in the Realme X7 Max using the Airtel SIM card. So this also varies from one SIM card to other SIM card. So in the Airtel, I'm getting good speed, but let's see whether this can actually download before the Oneplus Nord 2 or not. 35 seconds of time. It's kind of getting close. The Realme X7 Max coming till last, but no, it did not download. Just 1 second. That's not a big thing, I would say. No, it's not a big thing. It's not a big win, I would say, but still both are kind of equal. No problem. Yes. So because the Oneplus Nord 2 downloaded within 34 seconds and 35 seconds, and Realme X7 Max 36 seconds, kind of close to each other only. Nothing much major difference you can actually expect in the download speeds. So download speeds has been completed. Let me keep the stopwatch side. Now let's see the browsing speeds. I mean the speed test results. Let's see how much speed test we can actually expect in this phone. Let's connect to the server. So I'm trying to connect to the same kind of server. Let's see, Airtel broadband. Let me need to select the Airtel broadband only. The same server I want to select in both phones to get the equal results, because that is the request which has come from plenty of subscribers. Ask me to choose the same servers. Not bad. The Realme X7 Max also getting the high speeds. 10 Mbps of speeds we are getting the Realme X7 Max, 10 Mbps. But let's see what will be the highest so far. In the OnePlus Nord 2, the highest is this one. 13.5 Mbps is the highest speeds we got. And upload speeds are, I think, upload speeds highest 5.4. I think, as you can see, top 3 results which are done today. So 5.4 and 5.4 we are getting, and here we are getting 3.22. Not bad. So let's do the test again. So 3 times. So 3 times I'll try to do. So same kind of test I'll try to follow with other phones as well, POCO X8 GT and plenty of other phones. So in case if you're interested in what models, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be able to include those kind of models as soon as possible. Right now the 10.7 Mbps of speeds, upload speeds. Not bad. And download speeds 10.7, so the upload speeds are 3.2. So let's start the test again. 3 times. Let's do the 3 times and take an average. So yes, the third time the Realme X7 Max went up to 15 Mbps of speeds, but later it got settled, I think, close to 13 point. Can it be the top or not? Let's see. 13.9 and 13.87, 14 Mbps of speeds. Yes. So the Realme X7 Max has got the high speeds in the Airtel in my location. In my location, I'm trying to mention again and again. I'm trying to be very specific. In my location, these are the results. In different locations, you might get different results. These are extreme indoor conditions, and the upload speeds were good in the OnePlus Nord 2. So these are the top 3 results. And the upload speeds are slightly better in the OnePlus Nord 2 device when compared with the Realme X7 Max. That's the one thing. You can see the difference clearly what is happening. But the high speed we got around in the Realme X7 Max 14 Mbps. But the average speed in the OnePlus Nord 2 was maintaining around close to 12.5 Mbps average speed in the OnePlus Nord 2. And the average speed in this Realme X7 Max was kind of, I think, close to 12 Mbps, something around that. But the highest is this one. The Realme X7 Max scored the highest points, and the download speeds are slightly faster in the OnePlus Nord 2. But overall,